Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are safe at your home. I am back with your English reasoning video for class 3rd, and the topic we are going to cover in this class is find the odd one out and find the hidden words. So let's begin with our topic. So let's begin with our first question. Find the odd one out from the following words. We are given 4 options. We have to find out the different one other than the 3 options. So let's have a look on the options. Table, chair, car and chalk. We can easily find out that table, chair and chalk, there's a connection between 3 of them that they get used in school. Table, chair and chalk, they are used in school, but car is different from the other 3 options, so we can tick car. Now come to second. Doctor, nurse, medicines and fruits is given. We have to find the different one. So we all know that doctor, nurse and medicines, there is a connection between 3 of them, but fruits are different from them. So we have to take this one because this is odd one. Now come to fourth part, where good, bad, better and best is given. We all know that good is a positive, better is comparative and best is superlative degree, but bad is opposite to good. So we can find out the different one. They are not asking the opposite, but they have told us the comparative and superlative degrees of positive one. So this is the different one. Now come to next. Friday, May, June and April is given, where Friday is a name of a day and May, June and April is name of a month, name of months. So Friday is different one because it is a name of a day, so we can find out the different one easily like this. So this way you have to do this question. You have to find out the relation between 3 options and find out the other one. So students, I hope you all understood about the odd one out question. Now come to question number 2. Find the hidden words in following compound words. You all know what are compound words. Compound words are the joining words which are made up of 2 words. For example, home is one word and work is another word, but when we join both of them, it makes another word. Home also has a meaning, work also has a meaning, and when we join them, which makes a homework, which makes new word homework, it also has a meaning. So homework is a compound word. What we have to find is, we have to find the hidden words from this. Okay, for example, home, we can find home, spelling of home in this. Home is also a word. Work, these 2 words we can find it easily. Then HOW, how is also a word. The word should be like which has some meaning. Then or also has a meaning. So this way we have to find as much word we can find out from this word. Like that way we have to see the second part, which is hand ball. Hand is a one word and ball is another word. We can find out easily 2 words in it. Hand, ball and next word and, A and D. Yes, and also has a meaning. And hall, H-A-L-L, H-A-L-L, hall, H-A-L-L. Yes, hall also has a meaning. And bald, B-A-L-D, bald. Yes, bald also has a meaning. So like this way we have to do the third one. Independence word is given. We can find out easily in D E P, deep. Then we can find out need. You have to look the word carefully and find out any word which is being made from this word, need. Now N-I-C-E, nice. Yes, and it should have a meaning also. Then P-E-N, pen. You can find out as much word as you can, and this way you have to do it. So our next word is birthday. This is made up of birth and day. So we can find out easily birth as a first day, as a first word. Day is second word. Then H-A-Y, hay is third word. Hard, H-A-R-D, hard. And then air, A-I-R. We can find out easily as much word as we can from the given word if we stop and look carefully to the word. Now next word is automobile. Auto and mobile. So these two words we have already found out. Auto, mobile. Then B-A-T, bat. Yes, this is also a word. Then E-A-T, eat. And L-I-E, lie. Lie means jhoot bolna. So I hope you have liked this question. I have given this type of question in your homework also. Let's discuss homework now. Let's discuss homework now. We are given snowman word here. We have to find out the hidden words from this word. So snow and man, these two words we can find out easily. Snow and man. Then woman, W-O-M-A-N, women. Then now, N-O-W, now is also an word. On and no also we can find out in this word. So this way you have to do this homework. You have to find out the hidden words from the word given below. I hope you all understood these two questions and you can do this question easily at your home. So this is it for this class now. I'll see you in another class. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.